nursing students. So what developments have taken place in these 7 years? If we just introspect, okay, we have a new nursing college at Sircilla with all the sanctioned posts. It was formed in the year 2017 with 100 intake of students, and the present the students are in the third year. Okay, that is one significant development for nursing after Telangana Foundation is done. And another significant development for the clinical side nurses is 3,000 staff nurse posts on regular basis. Government has issued notification in the year of 2017 and they are finalized. And thus, I think after this lockdown, they all will be getting appointments. All the staff nurses. It's a massive recruitment which did not happen 10 years. After 10 years, this recruitment is happening. And all of you know, I think in view of this pandemic, uh, the Honorable Chief Minister has announced the formation of establishment of new medical colleges as well as nursing colleges. So Honorable CM has announced 6 more nursing colleges in the states, and wherever there is medical college, there should be a medical college. He has announced it. So the proposals are being sent, and then recently, 2 days back, we heard the news that Siddipet Nursing College is sanctioned with administrative sanction of 50 crores and also with the post. So GO has not yet come, we are waiting. So before, so in that, so proposal, so I requested DME, Honorable DME, to include that 3 colleges like Gandhi, Government College of Nursing, Secunderabad, Jagitial and Adilabad do not have a single sanctioned post for the past 9 years. So we have included that aspects also in the proposal. So if the government considers the Government College of Nursing, Secunderabad, Jagitial as well as Adilabad also may get the post. And it is our responsibility as the professionals, we have to represent to the government continuously. Our efforts should be continuously there, so that because Honorable CM may not be knowing, isn't it? He's busy with so many things. So there should be a representation. So we are continuously representing from the government side as well as from the Trained Nurses Association of India and from other JAC associations. We are continuously representing, and we are also requesting Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana to create a separate directorate for the nurses. So hope it will be a reality in the near future, so that all the problems or the issues of the nursing colleges as well as nursing schools as well as hospitals, the professional issues of the nurses can be well addressed, and we can provide quality education to the nursing students, whether it is school or college. And we have also included the nursing school issues also in the proposal. Nursing schools, there are no posts in Karimnagar as well as in Nizamabad. Schools are established, but there are no posts. So that is also represented in the proposal. So all issues have gone. Hope we will take a notice of it, and then there will be some forward steps for the solution of creation of these posts. So, so as nurses in this pandemic, and also there is regarding student stipends. The other day we all know that the the junior doctors have gone for agitation for enhancement of their stipends, and 15% hike is increased. Yesterday in Usmania there was a JAC meeting, and so we have proposed through the JAC leaders to enhance the stipend to minimum 10,000 rupees for the student, minimum 10,000 per month, because this 1,500, 2,000, the students are not even able to pay their mess. And then in this high cost inflation rates society, so it's very difficult for the students to manage with this meager stipend. So we have given a proposal for this 10,000. So again we have to see, and then we have to pursue all these students issues also there, clinical side nurses issues are there, and the schools and college issues are there. So as such, why am I talking about all nursing overall view is because, as all of you know, I am having a dual role as in charge deputy director nursing as well as principal of this college. So overall, I am talking about all the issues of the nursing, and anywhere I go, I present overall nursing issues. Not if I am principal to one college, I will only represent about one college. But I'm not. I am responsible for the entire state. So I represent entire state issues to the government or to the. So many times we have represented to the Mr. Vinod Kumar, Planning Commission Chairman. Then we have ex-health minister also we have represented. DMU also we have represented, and still we are after this lockdown we are planning to meet the chief minister, and we are seeing how best we can meet and directly express our problems and how we can get a solution for all these problems, so that the students will get quality education and the teachers who are waiting for the promotions since very long will also get their due promotions, and people will have satisfaction for what they are doing. And we are also asking the government not to take nurses on outsourcing this, requesting the government not to take the nurses on outsourcing. At least in this pandemic, the government should justify the needs of the nurses is our request. Okay, so the overall development of the Telangana, okay, each department is responsible. Irrigation is doing wonders. There is a lot of water for fields in the villages, and to see the history of irrigation, from lakhs of crops to crores of acres is cultivated today in Telangana after 7 years. So there is very good improvement in the field of irrigation. And then in other fields, everyone is concerned about their field. So we are concerned about our field, nursing services, nursing education, all these things. So let us all see what is our fundamental right is to do our duties perfectly. Each one of you as responsible nurses as well as responsible faculty of the college, we are all responsible for the students primarily, to give them proper education, proper values, so that they become very good professional nurses in the future and they render services to their clients. And they earn, because future is not limited for them in Telangana. So they have to go abroad. Wherever there are opportunities, the students should be able to go. They must crack All India Institute of Medical Sciences exams, PSI, railways, and army, and then they also can go to abroad. So that type of education we are supposed to give them, and we are supposed to prepare them for to be international nurses as per the curriculum. So they should be able to work if they are posted in the PHC or in the CSC or district hospital or teaching hospital or wherever they are posted. So our preparation, our education, our professional education, and their see as all of you know, knowledge, attitude, and skill. These three are very very important. We as teachers we must give them right knowledge, right attitude to be professional nurses, and they must have skill. Without skill, there is nothing. If they do not have only theory part and they have and they do not have the skill, it's useless. Okay, so government is focusing more on skill development. So skill, whoever is having the skill are given more important. So girls, on this Telangana Formation Day, I request all of you to enhance your knowledge, because we have so much of information available online, not like the olden days. So, and every one of you are having a smartphone, isn't it? You can utilize it in a proper way, and then you can enhance your knowledge about nursing, and then you can see how nursing is developing, and then you can develop right attitudes, and also you can go for skill learning online. You have some sites wherein you can go for like all courses. One website is there, all which is related to maternity. All teachers as well as students can enroll for that website. We have to pay some amount, and then we will online simulation method, because it's pandemic. We are unable to send you for the clinicals. How do you get the skills? So at least you will get the certification online for the skills. And then once hope the lockdown will be lifted, and you will be back to college, and you will be going to clinical areas, and you will have the requisite clinical experience, because it's final year. Without having the delivery skills, conducting of normal delivery, without emergency skills in the casualty like intra-cap, isn't it? cannulation, then IV fluids, the basic resuscitation, CPR. Without all these things, if you go to clinical, if you go into the society, it is very harmful, girls. I am telling you, you must have the proper knowledge, skills, and attitude to work. And then sky is the limit for you. I'll tell you. So don't ever feel that you have studied nursing. Nursing has wonderful, wonderful opportunities. You can go to any extent. Okay? Work hard and bring good name to your parents, to the college wherever you have studied, and bring good name to the state of Telangana as well as to this country. Okay? Thank you all. Thank you.